Baukubai. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Gulabben. She is housewife. My brother's name is Yuvraj. He is student. My sister's name is Krishna. She is student. My uncle's name is Bharatbhai. My auntie's name is Kailasben. The name of school Sri Ratanpur Primary School. My class teacher name is Vala Mukesh Kumar V. My village name is Ratanpur. My sweet my favorite sweet
is
is dal sakli. My